Hey guys, Ebomi here. I've been asked quite a few times what my favorite of the multi-purpose tools are, and hands down, it's the Victorinox Supertool. I have a couple of them. As you can see by the condition, my EDC is the Supertool RS. No particular reason for the RS versus the regular one. Actually, the regular one has a couple of interchanged features that I like better, but this is the one that's been taking all the abuse right now. Things I love about it is the construction. It is hands down the best made of all of them I've had. I also like the fact that all the features are accessible from the outside without having to open it up like you do on lots of them. Like the fact that all of the tools have a decent length. Everything locks. Once it's out, it's locked. Pull back on these locking tabs to unlock them. This particular one versus the difference between the RS and the Supertool is they replaced the metal cutter for a seatbelt tool, and they replaced the normal serrated blade with scissors. Other than that, it has all the same features. Leather, punching holes in leather, Phillips, small screwdriver, the belt cutter. On the other side, you get a straight blade, a big straight blade screwdriver. This one is actually a chisel with a round and a square wire stripper. You have your fixed straight blade and a bottle opener and another wire cutter in there. Can opener and another small screwdriver. Can't believe how well these things actually work. And the bone saw, if you can see by mine, it gets used pretty much all the time for drywall. Very positive locking as far as the pliers go. Like I said, this one's my EDC. I think I've been using this one for a little over 4 years. Before this one, it was just a traditional Supertool, and a screwdriver blade got snapped off on it, and it got dropped from like 15 feet, and one of the lock mechanisms wasn't working right anymore. So I sent it in thinking that I'd get some kind of a bill, and lo and behold, at absolutely no charge, I got back a brand new one. And like I said, the biggest difference is this guy gets the file in place of either the scissors or that seatbelt tool, and it gets a traditional serrated blade. Otherwise, that's the Victorinox Supertool. I love how they're made. I love how they hold up. And I couldn't say more about the way the company treats you in the event that you have to send it back. No questions, just replaced it. So, there you go. Ebomi's favorite multi-purpose tool is the Victorinox Supertool, or Supertool RS.